Hi guys, let me show you how to make this perfect and creamy yogurt at the comfort of your house with just 7,000 naira. Yeah, you heard me right, just 7,000 naira. And you can make this fit farm friendly yogurt, or it can also be sweetened, just at your own preference, how you like it. I bought half mudu of milk, Dano milk, at 4,000 naira, and I bought Culture 3,000 naira. The first thing you want to do is to measure your milk in a clean bowl, and after which you'll be adding your hot water, same quantity as the milk. So here I use 6 cups of milk, and I'll also be adding 6 cups of hot water. After which you're going to give this mixture a very thorough mix to ensure that a very high percentage of the lumps in it is thoroughly or properly dissolved. Mind you, you may not be able to get all the lumps to dissolve, but after this process we are going to pass it through a sieve into a bigger bowl, and then we are going to be adding room temperature water, same quantity as the milk that we added in the beginning, to ensure that our measurement is proportional. For me, I feel like the finger test is not really necessary, but you can go on ahead and dip one of your finger into this water. If it does not burn you, it's perfectly okay, but if it does, that means the temperature is too hot, and that means you have to leave it to cool down for a bit. Now you want to pour the culture in a cup and add some of the milk from the bowl to mix it separately before adding it back into the bowl, to ensure that there's no lump into the mixture of the culture. Here you are going to give this a very good mix to make sure that the culture is properly mixed with the milk. Now you want to transfer this into an airtight container and cover in an enclosed place for about 10 to 15 hours, just as you're going to see me do in a moment. Let me also chip it in that for those of you that have children, you can as well decide to make this into strawberry just by adding color. You can also decide to make it really flavorful by adding banana slices, strawberry slices, cookies, coconut chips, just to mention a few. You already know what I'm trying to say, right? Here is after about 15 hours and the yogurt is ready. You can see from your screen that it looks really creamy. And now you want to pour it inside a cheesecloth and put it in a sieve. Leave it in your fridge for about 5 to 6 hours to get out the excess liquid that may be in it. Mind you, the water is not to be thrown away. You can also preserve it and be adding it back to your yogurt whenever you want to make use of it and it's too thick. I took it out of the fridge after about 4 hours and portioned it into these bowls you're seeing. I also kept the liquid because I'll be needing it later. That's just in case the consistency is too thick whenever I'm ready to take it. Now you can see how thick and creamy it looks. I intentionally left one of the bowls a bit runny because I'll be making use of it soon. I hope you find this video really helpful, and I hope you're going to be trying out this recipe very soon. So if you have any